Hey YouTube, Robert here. Check out what I'm eating. Eat some good old bannock. Oh, some pan-fried trout. Of course, cooked on an alcohol stove. We're out here fishing. I'd show you the hole, but somebody might know where it's at. I give you a sneak peek right there on the side. There it is. That's as much as you get. Sweet garlic peppers. Mike from Bushcraft Barton's turned me on to this stuff, and oh, is it ever good. It's good stuff. I love fishing. Listen to this sound. That is the sound of beautiful frying fish. The only way that could be better if that was bacon, and then but not by much. Oh, does that ever sound yummy?
That's all that's left.
That's all that's left. It's the aftermath of our lunch, eh? Oh, Lord, that looks good. Look at that. Just bones. Yeah, make some stew, some fish stew. Yeah. Now I got to do the damn dishes, because
We could fish again.